You may have noticed last week that Amazon Web Services had their big New York summit. And during that summit, they announced some new tools to make it easier for companies to build and run AI agents. The main launch, which was called Amazon Bedrock Agent Core, which is also my favorite gospel band of all time, helps developers get AI agents into production a little bit faster. AWS is expanding its marketplace to offer ready to use AI tools from partners like Salesforce and Deloitte. To ready support for AI with better data, they have improved Amazon S3 storage and introduced the SageMaker catalog to help organize and find data a little bit more easily. Another tool is called Kiro, and it lets developers use natural language to create and manage AI projects, almost like it's a vibe. Overall, AWS is making it simpler for businesses to adopt and scale AI across their operations. My question for you, Al, is that a good thing?
Yes and no and maybe, and it depends. I think that's the answer to all of the questions we ask ourselves at the moment. Uh, it is nice to see AWS taking some of the heavy lifting away from the job of building AI solutions. So, seeing more packaged capabilities to assemble together an AI solution is good. Making it easier for developers to add AI to their applications. When we start recognizing that AI is not the thing, it's the thing that makes the thing better. Thanks, Bobby Allen at Google. Um, that AI is a feature of a product, or it's a tool that you use in a capability in your thing. It's not by itself valuable as a thing, and so making it easier to integrate AI into your existing applications, making it easier to get AI into your interactions with your customers or with your internal staff. Anything that helps us make that easier has got to be good, particularly if it helps us make it easier in a way that's cost effective in the long term. That last bit might be a little interesting. One of the changes in here is taking the Amazon S3 service, that place where people dump all of their big data that they don't know what to do with, and then enhancing more capabilities around both metadata and also vectors. Vectors are a really important part for what's called retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. It's the way that we will be taking business data and adding it to our generative AI applications. And so these are very important capabilities that are going to be very useful for people who are really committed to using AWS to hold everything and to make it easier for them to build applications. Um, I remain a little cynical around AI tools being used to build AI tools, just Kira. But we'll see. We'll see how that plays out. I've been wrong in the past when I've been cynical about products and thought that they would never work very well. So let's hope this one does work very well. From what I can tell, Kira has definitely gotten some attention, and people have been playing around with Kira a lot. But getting towards large scale pipelined AI, lots of agentic AI. This is where rather than the AI reporting to a human, it actually completes some task itself. This is definitely a place where we're seeing a lot of development, and that's one of the things that's in the Google's Vertex AI Builder, AI Agent Builder in particular. There's a whole collection of tools that AWS is hoping will bring them forward on that. Uh, all of the big cloud providers are looking to make it easier to build your AI applications, and AWS definitely wants to be on that.